Indewo Igbo Maka. Welcome to New Generation Igbo Summer Cooking Lessons, Episode 6. Today we are cooking chicken breast sauce for white rice. Our ingredients for today are spring onions, sweet peppers, red, orange and yellow, Maggi, curry powder, hot chili powder, ginger powder, rosemary and garlic powder. And here is our chicken breast sauce and oil. First, pour the oil in the pot. Add your chicken breasts. Mix, mix, mix. 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 After that, we'll now add our condiments. Make sure you get all of them. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. As you can see, the chicken is absorbing all of the flavors, which is very good. After a couple minutes, I will now cover the pot and tidy up my workplace for 10 minutes. As you can see, it's now ready. Now I'm going to mix it so all of it can combine. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. After mixing, I will now add the spring onions. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. The reason why I'm not adding the spring onions and the red peppers at the same time, the red, orange and yellow peppers at the same time, it's so the spring onions can have a alone time to combine the sauces together. So while I'll give it a couple seconds alone time, I'll add the peppers after. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Now it's time to add the peppers. Mix, mix, mix. 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 Cover for 2 minutes on medium heat. As you can see, the food is ready. You can see the chemistry is there. Now, I'm going to take a little portion for myself after mixing. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. And here is the rice that goes with it. I'll be taking 2 spoonfuls of rice. Now that's enough rice. Now I'll be adding the chicken breast sauce. The reason why I covered it so it can remain hot. I'll be adding 2 spoonfuls and couple peppers. Now it's time to off the fire. Now it's time to test my lovely milk. Yummy, yummy, yummy! Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!